6.4, 9 through 20, about risk and life expectancy. This affects you guys. These are not exactly easy to do, and we did the mechanics, but the way this would affect you is it determines how much you pay for insurance. I used to do some surveys. I might load that link on here where you could answer questions and it would tell you your life expectancy based on certain things, and those are the exact things that the insurance companies use for you. Whether or not you wear a seatbelt, whether or not you do drugs recreationally or otherwise. It's kind of funny, actually. All right, so the only thing I want to point out, though, fatality rate and death rate and birth rate, almost all those say per 1,000 or per 10,000 or per 100,000. You are moving the decimal points to make those numbers easier to manage, because otherwise the numbers would pretty much be zeros. So like on number 9 where it says per 1,000 departures, you have 9,035 departures already in thousands, so there was not much to do to that one. But when you get to, hang on a second, here it is, when you get to 13, when it asks you to do birth rates per 1,000 people, the number they give you for population is, let's see, was that 316,128,839. To do that per 1,000 people, you need to either knock 3 numbers off of it or move the decimal point 3 places. I moved the decimal point. You could have knocked it down to 316,128, just lopped off the 839, and it would have accomplished nearly the same thing. Your number might be a little off decimal-wise. Actually, let's see. 3952937. If I had divided it straight by 316,128 and knocked the 0.839, you got the same exact number. So it wouldn't have mattered at all. You could just knock those 3 numbers off. When it does per 10,000, since there are 4 zeros, you would knock 4 numbers off. The thing I would watch is that if the last one where it says per 100,000 and you need to knock off 5 zeros, I think that would knock you down to no numbers, so you'd have to move the decimal point to make that one work. But all they're doing is making those numbers bigger. Moving the decimal point means instead of getting 0.0042 like we did in 10, you would get 4.2. People like to see that. They prefer to deal with it. It's easier to compare things. Other than that, this is still just a fraction. Just a straight up piece over whole fraction. Since they wanted to rate, they actually divided it out. If for some reason you did not have a calculator and all you could do was just list the fraction, I'll take it. That's fine. Let's see. Those are all just what's your numbers. Your signs really shouldn't matter on these. What's your numbers? What's your decimal places? Not much to this one. I'll check and make sure it's not scanned backwards. And we're done. Thanks.